I was working on my 2012 Traverse. It had a tow hitch on it, but I went back there to look for an electric connector and could not find anything. So I went on YouTube to find out where the connector was or where to plumb in the wiring, and I found out there is a connector on the back passenger side, tucked up behind that plastic bumper piece. So there's a picture of it. So they were pulling this plastic wheel fender piece out, and then you connect the harness into that plug. And then it also comes, this kit comes with fuses and relays. It also says where to plumb the fuses and relays in. Well, if you go to this fuse box, those two have pins for them, but that's these two relays it says needs to go there. Well, the relay doesn't work with only two terminals, so there's no terminals there or there on that relay, there or there on that relay. And it also says a fuse, I think it's F21. Yeah, so left turn is on F21, right turn is on F17. So there's F17, there's no terminals in there. There's F21, there's no terminals in there. F22 is not part of this, but this is an example of there's one connector there, but not another one for the fuse. So what I had to do, I went on eBay, found a used one of these, and when I was looking through the pictures, I saw these are already set up with relays in them. These fuses already had fuses in them. So the whole relay box was set up with fuses and relays for the trailer wiring. So I was hoping the rest of the wire on the Traverse was set up to take these. And so once I got it, I looked on the back, what pins came out, and sure enough, the pins came out of here, but on the one I bought, but not on this one. So yeah, I just disconnected this, got that one off of eBay, threw it on, and now I have electricity to my connector in the back. So I hope this helps you all. I spent about 40 bucks on this one on eBay. Some were running, that was the cheapest one I found, and they were running around 80 bucks was the average price, I'd say, at the time. So, hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.